for students in Carmel classes 9 to 12th, all of you are being given a domain ID ending with carmeljammu.com or @carmeljammu.com, which is in effect a Gmail, full-fledged Gmail account, but registered with Carmel Jammu. Now, how do you go into login and use this? It is simple. Just like any other, since you already may have a Gmail account in your Android phones, so this tutorial is for Android phones. Now, you go into your Gmail, you look up the Gmail, the three dots, or the three lines on the top left. You go into, just scroll down and you will find settings. So go down to the settings, and in the settings there are general settings and there are accounts given. As of now there are a couple of accounts in my mobile. Go into add account. Now in add account, we want to add Google account because this is a Google. Here it says couldn't sign in. That is because unfortunately my network was not there. So let me go in again. Add account. It asks for Google. It's checking info. I need to pass my pattern. Now I need to type in here. I'm giving a test for you to understand. So I have an account called test@Carmel Jammu. Now one important part here is that whenever you sign in, particularly on computers or laptops, you need to write the entire address. So say for example your name is Divya Gupta and your email is divya@carmeljammu.com. So you have to write as divya@carmeljammu.com and then proceed. But for mobiles, once you have signed in, that's it and you're good to go. So now test@carmeljammu.com. I go into the next. I punch in my password, which is now simple. So this is a login password for first sign up. So what happens is, this is a temporary account password that is given to you. So you fill in up. It will be different for others. Now there is a welcome message. You get a welcome message. You accept it, and then it asks for a new password. So the first password, whichever will be given to you, is a password that is given to you from school, which is a common one. Now as you sign up, you need to sign up with your new password, and let me show you around. So therefore I shall put up a password. Maybe I'll go for something simpler so that it becomes easier. Okay, I go to the next. We have to agree, which means my password has been taken. Now please make sure that you keep a note of this password, because that is the password with which you have gone. You have to go, and we have done. You have seen that the test@carmeljammu.com also has been registered. Now in case you need to check your emails from the multiple, so in my case there are multiple email IDs. I just take, so this is the first time it is opening up, so it's going to take a while because it has to set up its inboxes and other settings. So this is the inbox of your school email ID, which is by Gmail, and this is where you will get all your notifications, communications from the teachers, particularly in the Google Classroom announcements, assignments, corrections, if you're graded, or if the teacher has some comments on it. Everything will be populated here. You will not get this in the inbox, but as of now I only have 2 mails and they are in the inbox. Generally Gmail has inbox, social, updates, so there are different categories. In your case, most of these notifications will fall into, or rather land in updates, but you will definitely get to know that. So make the best of it. This is an exclusive effort that is being done to reach out to the students and provide maximum hand-holding and mentoring for all the students, particularly in the high school and higher secondary. Whenever or wherever you would find an issue with regard to login or use of this email or any other use whether it's faced by the parents or students, you're most welcome to contact us, and we shall be there to help you and resolve your issues. So make the best use of this, and wish you a happy learning. God bless you.